We've breaded our chicken with breadcrumbs, crumbled potato chips, and even crushed crackers. Those are good, but compared to how we're making it today, they aren't nearly as exciting. You see, we're taking everyone's favorite potato tots and turning them into a coating that's downright awesome. Let me show you. The first thing we do is break up some potato tots into what looks like crushed cookies. We mix that with some shredded cheddar cheese and a bit of salt and pepper. After trimming up some chicken breast, we dip those in a couple of beaten eggs and then into the potato and cheese mixture. After they're breaded, onto a baking sheet they go, and we spritz them with some cooking spray. These only take 20 minutes or so in a really hot oven, and when they're crispy and the chicken is cooked through, they're done. What we end up with is a super moist chicken breast with a coating that's packed with everything we love about potato tots, with the added bonus of the cheese. To get a copy of this recipe, go online and look for what we call cheesy potato tot chicken. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a "why didn't I think of that" way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."